Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open Call of Duty Season 2. First, make sure your game is completely updated. This is crucial for accessing all new content. Then, simply launch the Call of Duty application from your console or PC. The game will automatically connect to the online services, preparing you for the new season's offerings. You'll then see the Season 2 splash screen, confirming your access. To verify your game is updated, navigate to your console's system menu and check for game updates. For PC players, use your game launcher like Battle.net or Steam to check for updates or verify file integrity. New seasons often bring substantial updates, sometimes 20 to 30 gigabytes, so ensure you have sufficient storage space and a stable internet connection for a smooth download process. Once the game launches, you'll typically be greeted with a cinematic or splash screen announcing Season 2. From the main menu, you can easily navigate to the Battle Pass tab to see all the new tiers and rewards. Additionally, new maps and game modes will be highlighted in the playlist selection, ready for you to jump in and experience the fresh content. It's all right there, waiting for you. Engaging with the new season means diving into the fresh content. New weapons and operators are often unlocked as you progress through the Battle Pass. Keep an eye out for limited-time seasonal events, which offer unique challenges and exclusive cosmetic rewards. If you want to maximize your gains, consider purchasing the Premium Battle Pass for even more benefits and faster progression through the tiers and challenges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.